Hey guys, hope you're keeping well. Mairéad Daly here. I hope you enjoyed the session that I sent on last week. This is week 2 of our online coaching sessions. So we'll run pretty much the same as what I did last week, whereas we'll do a warm up, then we'll do some hand passing and stuff, reaction games and some kick passing as well. So the way we'll run is I'll show you the activities really quick and then we'll run through them together for 30 seconds. Okay, I'll count us down so we'll know exactly how our time is going. So the first thing we're going to do, the same as last week, we started with jumping jacks. We're going to do that again today. So if you just watch me really quick, jumping jacks are again our arms and our legs go up and out together, okay? So we're going to start for 30 seconds. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1 and off we go. So remember, jump up as high as you can, arms go up and legs go out. So we're 10 seconds in already. It's really, really good. That's it, so make sure our arms and our legs are both going at the same time. And we only have 10 seconds left there. That's it, keep going. And we 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and done. Lovely. So if you see here, the next exercise we're going to be doing is some single leg hopping. So if you see I have a hurl here, if you've anything at all, just a line in the yard or anything, just jump over and back across that. So if you watch me really quick, I'm going to start on my left leg. What I'm going to do is jump over and back like this. And then halfway through, I'll say switch legs. You'll switch on to your right leg, and what you'll do is go over and back. So you try to jump over as quick as you can. You don't land and stop, you just go as fast as you can the whole way through. So halfway through, I'll shout switch, and you'll switch legs. Okay, so we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, and off we go. That's it, so make sure you jump as quick as you can over and across the ladder or the hurl or whatever you have at home. So you've 5 seconds left on this leg. Lovely, and now we're going to switch. So whatever your other leg is, switch onto it and we're going to go again. So try to keep on the toes of your feet so that way you're jumping and you're landing really softly. So you've 5 seconds left. 3, 2 and 1. Lovely. Okay. So the third thing we're going to be doing is a double leg jump. So this time you're going to be on your 2 legs. You'll see I'm turning just the other side of my hurl. What I'm going to do is jump forward and back like that, okay? We're going to do that for 30 seconds. I am out of breath already, so try your best to get through this with me. So we're going to go in 3, 2, 1 and off we go. So that's it, jump over and back. Keep looking forward. That's it. The higher you jump, the more you get over the hurl or whatever it is on the ground. So keep looking forward, we're halfway there. You're doing really good. That's it, we have 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lovely. So we can move that little hurl out of the way there. What we're going to do this time is we're going to do some scissors jumps, okay? So when you do these, you jump with your left leg out and your right arm up. So you'll do opposite arm to opposite leg like this. So we're going to go in 3 seconds, 2, 1, and off we go. That's it, so make sure you're bringing your arms up high and pushing your legs back. I'll show you from the side really quick. Just like that. And back to the start. That's it, so we're halfway there. Make sure we're not slowing down at all, just keep pushing on. And we've 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lovely. And we've one more thing now left in our warm up. So if you grab a football, it doesn't have to be a football, it can be anything at all. Put one football there, I'll put a bottle here, and I'm going to put a shoe here, okay? So how this game works is, the person behind the camera is going to shout, so I'm going to stand in the middle, I'll get up onto one leg. If the person behind the camera shouts ball, I jump, land and stay there. If she shouts shoe, jump over, stay there. If she shouts bottle, I go there, and so on. Okay, so we're going to do this for 30 seconds. Keep going, the person behind the camera or whoever's with you, just keep shouting. So we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, off we go.
Ball, bottle, shoe, ball,
So make sure when you
shoe,
jump, you stick your landing.
bottle, ball, shoe, bottle, shoe, ball,
Sit.
bottle, ball,
We have 10 seconds.
shoe, bottle, shoe, ball, bottle, ball.
And we're done. Lovely. That was harder than I thought it would be. That's it. So you can get rid of that. And what we're going to have next is just a football. If you don't have a football, that's fine. I'm going to use a bottle. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're just going to do some little squats. So what I want you to do is for 30 seconds, keep your feet shoulder width apart. What you're going to do is sit back, touch the bottle and come the whole way up. Down, touch the bottle, whole way up. So whatever you have at home, just put it in the middle of the ground and touch it. So we're going to go for 30 seconds. Please try keep up with me doing this. I'm going to try to go as fast as I can. Okay? So 3, 2, 1 and off we go. That's it. So down, touch the bottle. Make sure we touch it every time. Stay in time with me. When you're doing this as well, try to look forward all the time. That's it, we're halfway there. That's it, keep it going. And we've 10 seconds left. Good job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and nice one. Okay, so that's really, really good. Follow me over here. What we are doing next is a bit of hand passing. So if you remember last week what we did, junior infants, you just held the ball in your left hand, threw the ball at the wall, held it in your right hand, threw the ball at the wall. So if you come over here really quick, you see we have a little marker here, little smiley face. That's our target for the day. So what we have to do is try and hit that as much as we can in 30 seconds. If you're in first class or above, what I want you to do is hand pass the ball, okay? So remember, hold the ball in one hand, then strike it with the other hand, okay? Well, in one hand, strike, okay? We're going to go for 30 seconds. I am going to try and hit it as many times as I can. I'm going to throw it like junior infants do for the first 15 seconds, then I'll switch to hand passing, okay? So junior infants, throw the whole way through. If you're first class or up, hand pass the whole way through. So try and hit your target and count, because you try and beat me, okay? We're going to go in 3, 2, 1, off we go. There we go. I'm on 5. That's it. That's it, keep going. So junior infants, keep throwing. If you're above junior infants, let's be hand passing. That's it. As fast as you can, try hit it. You have 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, and 1. I actually lost count there, so I think I got 102. Not too sure, but if you bet 102, good job. If you didn't, try again the next time, okay? So I'll show you what we're doing this time. This is a little reaction game. So if you see here, I have a shoe, I have a bottle, I have a hurl back here, and I have a tennis ball here, okay? So the person behind the camera, if they shout shoe, I have to run out, touch the shoe and come back. If they shout ball, run over, touch the ball, run back. If they say bottle, touch the bottle and come back. Every time you touch something, you have to come back into the middle, okay? So we're going to see how many we can touch in 30 seconds, okay? So we are going to go in 3, 2, 1, off we go.
Hurl, shoe, bottle,
That's it.
ball, hurl, ball, shoe, bottle,
You're halfway.
shoe, hurl, bottle, ball, shoe,
That's it. 5
Hurl.
seconds.
bottle, ball, hurl.
And time is up. Nice job. Okay, so that's our first reaction one. If you look this time, we're going to get rid of the top reaction thing, so I'll get rid of my shoe. We'll get rid of our bottom. and we're going to grab a football here, okay? So what you'll see here is I still have a ball and I still have a bottle here, okay? This one is going to be a lot trickier, okay? So I'll try my best to do a good explanation. So what you're going to do is throw the ball up as high as you can. When the ball's in the air, you have to touch the tennis ball, let the ball bounce, and then catch the ball before it bounces twice, okay? So I'll show you really quick. So I'll throw the ball up, touch the bottle, catch the ball. Up, touch the ball, catch the ball. Up, touch the bottle, catch the ball, okay? What I don't want to see is if you throw it up, touch the ball, and you let it bounce 100 times. If you do, that's okay, just try to get less bounces the next time, okay? So we are going to go for 30 seconds. We should be nicely set up now. So we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, and off we go. So throw the ball up high, touch the bottle, and catch. Up high, touch the bottle, and catch. Up high, touch the bottle, and catch. That's it, we've 10 seconds gone already. That's it. Make sure you get down low and touch the ball or the bottle or whatever it is you have, okay? We're halfway there already. Whoops. That's it. Keep going. Ah! That's it, touch the ball. Then you only have 5 seconds left. That's it. The higher you throw it, the easier it is, would you believe? That's it. So, we have one more thing left to do. So follow me over here. So we're going to go back to our targets over here. So we have a target up here high, and we have a target low down here, okay? So this target is for our junior infants. What I want you to do is put the ball on the ground, kick the ball off the wall with one foot, bring it back, then kick it with your other foot, okay? You have to count how many times you can hit the low target on the ground. If you're in first class or above, what I want you to do is kick the ball out with your hands, okay? So kick it, try and hit the target, use your other foot, try and hit the target, okay? The most important thing when we're kicking is if you're kicking with your left foot, drop the ball from your left hand. If you're kicking with your right foot, drop the ball from your right hand, okay? So we're going to start, I'll do it with junior infants for 15 seconds, then I'll do it with senior infants, or for the senior classes for 15, okay? So I'm going to start on the ground, but if you're in first class or up, you're kicking out your hands the whole way through, okay? So this one, I want you to count how many you get. This is the last thing we're doing, so try your hardest and see if you can beat whatever score I get, okay? So we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, and off we go. Nice. That's it, keep kicking. That's it, we're nearly halfway there. Oh. That's it, so junior infants keep kicking on the ground. Up. That's it. So we have 10 seconds left. And time is up. So if you look really closely there, you'll see I hit the top target about once, okay? So I think my score was about 8, so let me know if you can beat 8 scores, okay? Hopefully your kicking will be a bit better than mine. I suppose I need to practice a bit more. So guys, thanks a million for watching the video and taking part. I hope you had a good time, and next week we'll make it even harder again. So thanks a million.